Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best smart home hubs. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart home hubs in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best smart home hubs on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Wyze Cam V3 indoor-outdoor camera. The Wyze Cam V3 looks similar to the Wyze Cam V2, but there are subtle differences. It sports a square black camera face as opposed to the round face found on the V2 camera, and it has rounded edges as opposed to the V2's sharp corners. Additionally, the V3 has an IP65 weatherproof rating, which makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Wyze Cam V3 represents the third generation of the company's line of affordable home security cameras, and as is the case with previous models, it offers a wealth of features for its low $35.98 price. In addition to sharp 1080p video, free cloud storage, local storage, and compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, this new version brings support for IFTTT, color night vision, intelligent motion detection, a faster frame rate, and more. It's an exceptional camera for monitoring the inside or outside of your home, and the fact that it costs less than $40 makes it easy to recommend as one of the top affordable security cams. Coming in at number 5, Philips Hue White Smart LED Starter Kit. Philips Hue is an excellent smart home entry point. There are several Philips Hue starter kits that include multiple smart multicolor LED bulbs, a Hue bridge, which connects the system directly to your Wi-Fi router and enables your Hue lights to be integrated into any of the major smart home ecosystems, and a few with a wall wireless dimmer switch. But this basic kit includes a Hue bridge and 2 white 75-watt equivalent dimmable smart LED bulbs. You can expand your Hue system with a panoply of Hue smart table, wall, and ceiling lighting fixtures. Hue also has solved the smart light on-off power dilemma with its wall switch module that turns off a Hue bulb at the light switch, but still keeps the power to the bulb flowing for voice or app control. Plus, a Hue motion sensor can trigger lights to automatically go on or off when you enter or leave a room. Coming at number 4, Samsung SmartThings Station Hub without power adapter. While Google Home is well integrated with Android and Apple HomeKit with Apple's devices, SmartThings is similarly well integrated with all Samsung smart products, smartphones, earbuds, smart TVs, smart devices, Philips Hue, smart lighting, and especially Samsung's wide variety of smart appliances, including the company's Smart Family Hub refrigerator. Many SmartThings compatible Samsung devices can be used to integrate additional smart devices and create mixed automated routines, and SmartThings Energy uniquely helps you monitor power consumption of your smart Samsung appliances. SmartThings considers itself an open platform and, therefore, can integrate devices from the other 3 major home ecosystems. The SmartThings Station Hub includes a single physical button to activate several scenes, and it is a wireless smartphone charger pad as well. Number 3, Google 7-inch Nest Hub. Google Home is the second most popular smart home ecosystem behind Amazon Alexa, offers a staggering million-plus skills, and has been rated as having the smartest voice assistant. The Hub is an easy Google Home starting point to easily add a wide variety of direct compatible Nest devices and, works with Google gear from other manufacturers, including a plethora of Google-compatible smart speaker makers. Bonus, it's compact enough to fit on a night table and operate as an alarm clock. Best of all, unlike the need for a smart speaker in each room to access your Amazon Alexa smart home via voice, Google's Voice Smart Home Control is natively available via all Android devices. If you want to add more smart home capabilities, such as a built-in Google Nest Cam security camera, better and more powerful speakers, and video calling, you can step up to the 10-inch Google Nest Hub Max. Coming at number 2, Ultraloq Latch 5, built-in Wi-Fi smart lock. The Ultraloq Latch 5 series builds on Ultraloq's successful and user-friendly tech behind the popular keyless Ultraloq lever smart lock. Available in 2 models, fingerprint or NFC. The regular retail price of the fingerprint and NFC editions are as $249 and US $209 respectively. The Ultraloq Latch 5 series supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings, and IFTTT. It is also compatible with Android and Apple smartphones, as well as the Apple Watch through the UTech app. The Ultraloq Latch 5 series is a versatile choice that is suitable for a diverse range of outdoor, indoor, home, or public scenarios, from patios and entryways to business environments such as offices, conference rooms, and function rooms. On both the fingerprint and NFC models, temporary access can be granted to short-term guests, such as visitors, babysitters, delivery personnel, or even house apartment rental tenants such as Airbnb guests, who only need to use the entry point for a short period of time. Number 1. Amazon Alexa Echo Show 8. Amazon's latest smart display, the Echo Show 8, is a smart speaker with an 8-inch display for answering questions, aiding with your Amazon ordering, providing for hands-free phone calls, streaming music, keeping your schedule, and playing content from myriad streaming TV services. Primarily, however, the Echo 8 is a general Alexa hub that substitutes for your smartphone to add devices to your Alexa smart home system, provide voice commands for your Alexa-compatible smart devices, and includes a built-in security camera with a privacy shutter. Alexa is the most widely adopted smart home and voice control ecosystem and offers more than 100,000 skills or command capabilities. To get easy voice control for your devices in rooms other than the one in which the Echo 8 is located, you can buy a wide variety of Alexa-enabled smart speakers both by and from Amazon and from other popular speaker brands such as Sonos, JBL, and Bose. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best smart home hubs. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.